Hello everyone, my name is Natasha Taylor and I'm going to share with you my We're Into It blog site. My friend Amelia and I have been wanting to start sort of an inspiration blog and an Etsy shop where we sell our design work. The purpose of the blog is to showcase our work as well as curate design, recipes, and other creative works we find online and in our daily lives. We hope to use this site as a diary of our personal work, as well as a place that others can visit to find creative inspiration themselves. This has been something we've been wanting to do for a long time, but we've started to make big steps in the last couple months, especially in growing our inventory of work. So I decided to take this opportunity for this project to refresh our work in progress site, which is currently we'reinto.it, and use this space as a testing and experimenting area. So I created a child theme from a theme called Sugar and Spice, which you can see here. I liked it because it was pretty clean and elegant and simple. And I wanted to make some modifications from there. So the first thing I wanted to do was change this script font, which they have as Nikon, I believe, and I changed it to Great Vibes, and I did that here with at font base in my style sheet. The next thing I wanted to do was left align the title post instead of centering. So you can see here in the parent theme, the title post is centered, and I have that left aligned here. That was quite an easy fix. Just up here in my style sheet. The other thing I wanted to do was I wasn't really a fan of the ribbons on the sides here. So I wanted to remove them from my navigation bar. And at first, that wasn't working. So I looked up some things to try and figure out why, and I came across this tag, and it ended up working when that was added. I'm not sure if that's the right thing to do, but it works for now. I added in the social media widget over here, but it said follow me on Twitter or follow me on Pinterest, so I went in and changed that to follow us so that it makes more sense since this is a collaboration. I also modified in the footer, I just changed this to modified Sugar and Spice rather than keeping it as the exact theme. Lots of other things that I did were through the WordPress dashboard. So I added a link to our Etsy page called Shop, and I just use this here to make it a link rather than a page. And I also, through Jetpack, activated the tiled gallery. If this will load, I can show you on here, actually on the travel page, so that I could have tiled images put into the post. I also added the contact form through the dashboard, which was also easy. You could just add the contact form through here. So there's lots of other things that I want to post in this blog, but this was just sort of the initial steps. I created categories so that specific things could be tagged and looked in via category. So it's a work in progress, but made some steps.